people asked how I made that. Show you how I put it together. Pak choi in there. Alright, get some of these leaves out. You can always put a screen over it if you want to, keep the leaves out of it. Alright, you can see how easy it is to pull these guys out. See the roots, ready to go in a pool noodle. That, set them down, but for the time being you can see how easy this is. The leaves fall in it, but these guys are about the same size. They're all about ready to go. You can see we've got some smaller ones like that. They can probably stay in here a little while longer. There. What I'm going to do is take all the ones that are about this size, take them to the downspouts. Here's our pak choi seeds, and while these are still in here, because you can see it's easy to pick bigger ones, as these start to grow I'll be able to pull those. We've got real tiny ones in here still, you can see over here, so that way we'll have them at all different stages. All I do is just get some of this and we'll just sprinkle it around. Now you can't do that in traditional garden, can you? That's it. It falls down in there. I might go ahead with the hose, put it and let it mist, and for the first 3 or 4 days every morning come out here and mist it, just so any of them that are sitting on top of the rocks that haven't gone down inside might sprout. But most of these, wherever they fall, they'll start to sprout up, and in a few days you'll see little tiny ones like that. Then in a few weeks, you'll see bigger ones like that. And that's all I do, is just keep doing that over and over. Sooner or later, you know, we can clean this out. We'll harvest most of this, get them planted out, and then we'll clean it out. You can wash this off, use them again. And see how easy it is to clean this out when you need to. You just pull them out, no soil. So we'll plant those today. So there's a bunch you can go, and that's enough to put in one of your downspouts. And this is easy to clean out. Sprinkle some more seeds in there, ready to go. So that's the setup. I'll let you take a look down here. Got a whole lot of algae in there. And as you can see, you got some tadpoles. So that's why I'm not dumping it out. Usually I clean this out once in a while, but a little frog got in there. Now I got some tadpoles. I might just let that go. Maybe they'll add a little fertilizer. Who knows? Where they came from. Here's one we had. One tomato plant growing here. But I came to check the water in this today. Swimming around in here earlier this afternoon. So there's a little crack here so they can get back out. Teachi, get that squirrel. Go get the squirrel. Not that way, dummy. Teachi, get the squirrel. Get it. Teachi, get the squirrel.